choy. This is one of my favorite vegetables. Bok choy is an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, and calcium as well. And today, I show you how to cook bok choy. This is very simple but delicious. Trust me. Main ingredients: I have 1 pound of bok choy, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you don't have it, soy sauce is okay, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Okay, I have bok choy here. Let's cut off root end first. Okay, after cutting off your bok choy, you can check inside the bok choy. Then there must be dirt. I'll show you. Can you see this? These are all the dirt, so you gotta rinse those. So let's go. If that is really dirty, just rub it with your hand. Other than just run in cold water and rinse it a couple of times. That's it. Okay, heat your pan over high heat and put some oil. Once you see the smoke from the pan, I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see here. That means it's really hot. Put bok choy, but really be careful. All the water is gonna splash. So drain the water and put the bok choy in. A little bit of salt, pepper, and stir. This is really quick. Then I'm gonna put minced garlic. Put a tablespoon of oyster sauce. A teaspoon of sesame oil. That's it. I just turn the heat off and I'm gonna plate it. And I haven't put any water in, but this water is from bok choy, so why not? This is gonna be really good sauce. So just pour the garlicky water onto the bok choy. Smells good. And if you guys want to give a little bit of kick on it, I have a Korean chili powder, gochugaru. This is gonna be a kick, also good garnish. Give a little bit of a color and spiciness. That's it. Let me taste it. Still crunchy and yummy. This is really good. You gotta try it. And the gochugaru is really nice kick for this. You can make this simple dish today. Give it a try. Hope you guys enjoy my video today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again. Ciao.